All the students are requested to join in the morning assembly and stand in line as per their height level and to keep distance from each other. School, sanities. Attention. Sanities. Attention. Sanities. Every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sunshine. I am Mehali Devdas from class 7. Along with the members of my class, we welcome everyone in this morning assembly and wish you a cheerful good morning. School, attention. Dear friends, prayer purify our mind and soul. So let's start our day with prayer of the Almighty God. Now get ready for prayer. Join your hand, close your eyes and say after me. Oh my God, all knowledge, is in thee. Please, give light, to my mind, and strength, to my will. Please, help me, to understand, what I study. Please, help me, to know, what is true, and good, and to improve myself by it. Open your eyes, put your hands down. Stand-at-ease. What is the date today? Today is 14th July 2023. And what is the day today? Yes, today is Friday. Attention. Now get ready for our national anthem. Now look front, keep your head high. Let's start.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjaba Sindhu Gujarata Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava shubha jage Gahe Tava Jaya gatha Jana Gana mangala dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Jai Hind. Stand-at-ease. Today's afternoon morning assembly ends here. Thank you everyone. Now move to your respective classes.
Wait.